This video contains bad language and ideas that will upset you. Please close it now.
You hate hip-hop, 'cause you can rhyme all over it. Your shit's wasteful, go back to your mom's tit.
A motherfucker like me, be staying strapped with a heat. Keep it 24/7 like the tethers strapped to my feet.
All I need is the respect I be deserving, but until then I'm jacking this food's benzo and swerving. Come on motherfucker, say some shit to my face. I'll make you up and leave the hood. Find religion like Mace. Only the government knows about my top secret fuzz. Area 51's the way I keep alien crows. Oh, and I got alien crows. Stick that in your ass and feel the metal decode.
My flow's sick, like Patrick Swayze, aka Dalton. When I speak you be Halton.
Log on to www.wreckrecords.org. Motherfucker, resistance is futile. Shit's like I'm a morgue.
Shaquina, Tina, Tracy, Yolanda, Julie, Stacy, Sabrina, Shaquanda.
I put my big black dick in dirty white bitches. You young girls a hoe. I'm her pussy lick itches.
I shoot the gun out of a car window when I'm doing a drive-by. I really shot someone. I'm serious though, this isn't a rep.
I squeeze the back of your neck, make you peek the screen. $1 Million Extreme videos like a dream. Make sure you watch, comment, rate, subscribe. Or motherfucker you die.
Hi, would you like to play a game?
Tell as many people as you possibly can about our videos, because Tim Heidecker is ignoring us, and we have $2,000 left before we have to pack everything in and go live with our parents. Post links on whatever forums you be chillin' at. Tell all your friends, and even people you hate. Post links as your status on Facebook. Organize mass emailings, and get yourself banned from as many different online things as quickly as possible. Get arrested for something real bad, then claim MD told you to do it. Get a tattoo of our logo on your forehead. Quick, do it now, before we change our name to the Simon Nick Cool Show. Nice job. Our website is $1,000,000extreme.tv, which right now is just a redirect to the Alien Mode YouTube page. We have 214 subscribers now, and of those I think 10 to 20 of you are willing to ride out like this. Please help us get successful. You know the world needs to see what we're doing. Tell us what you think of our work. Feel free to criticize, unless you are saying some dumb shit like we're copying Tim and Eric. Help keep us in check, so that when we get to LA we don't become insane drug addicts. Track down independent and alternative comedians, and tell them we want the fame and fortune too. Buy our DVD for $35. Does anyone have a Something Awful forum membership? I think you know what to do. Does anybody have rich parents? Does anyone know Carson Daly or Zachary Ty Bryan from Home Improvement? The Golden Age of Mallrat, Jeep Ragtop, Hip Hop Skate Punk, Surf Ninjas Pizza Arcade, Neon Teen Cyber Culture is gone. Most people who notice think there is nothing left but to sit back and let mainstream media shovel shit in your faces. VH1 rudely encapsulates everything you love and trivializes the creative soul energy of the most jubilant and hopeful era mankind has seen to date. Remember Tribe Called Quest? Boy, those guys were silly. They did not rap about drugs and money. LOL. Meanwhile you don't even realize that the cusp of another blazing renaissance is quivering under your fingertips. Stop being sardonic and apathetic. Take off your cool coat. Take off your cool shades. Stop doing cute shit to be clever. Master your craft, and start uplifting humanity with your honest expression. Support independent artists with heart. Stop letting iTunes or Hulu tell you what you want to consume next. Pirate software and practice free speech. Don't get lulled into cozy submission. Make no mistakes, this is an all-out war. Don't get hypnotized by material objects. What Apple once set out to destroy it is fast becoming. Don't ever use Verizon, they will slam you with so many fees your ass will ache for 3 months. Also, I'm pretty sure YouTube is going down the shitter, but I don't know how to handle that. It's really the only video hosting site I've seen that makes any sense, but they are starting to pull content that they deem offensive without warning. Everything is pointing in the direction of YouTube becoming a provider-only site, with nice clean tidy videos of twinks with pretty haircuts that advertisers can use to push ringtones, or the latest shitty romantic comedy that everybody goes to see, even though they know it is going to be bad. Everything is going to hell in a handbasket, but I know that the righteous will prevail. My life is like a movie. I'm going to let you in on a little secret, my friend. This movie does not have a surprise ending. The good guys win,